teachers and staffs, and the superstar of this evening, our little kids, the little performers. This is a very special evening as it's a time when all the students, teachers and parents come together to celebrate and enjoy. Can you see the smiling and beaming faces around it? आप feel करोगे अभी? This atmosphere is filled with excitement and joy because of our little performers. Those who are waiting over there, they are eager to show their performances, their preparations, what they are learning from months before. So please have a big hand for them. Please, आपकी cheer की बहुत ज़रूरत है उनको. They need support from you. And let's talk about this annual function. This annual function is not about only for entertainment. This annual function, it is about pride. The pride when we see our kids on the stage, either you or me. Dedication and hard work. What we and our students put from months to prepare this. The patience, what we have to keep during the preparations. And the unity, the togetherness and the teamwork, what is shown on the stage today. So, this annual function also provides a chance to our little kids to bond with their classmates and their teachers, to make some unforgettable, precious memories. So it's a day we eagerly look forward to every year because we celebrate it with you. Our kids celebrate with you and us. And as I'm standing here today in front of you, I'm remembering some things. The first day you left them with us. आपको उनका चेहरा याद होगा जब हमारे साथ पहली बार उन्हें छोड़ के गए थे आप. वो चेहरा और आज का चेहरा. When will they perform on the stage? You will definitely recognize some difference. That difference means a lot for us. That is the growth and development they have gained here. So, the first step, the first hesitant step in their classroom to the confident faces they will show on the stage. This is a long journey, enjoyable journey, very tireable journey, and very incredible journey, which I have witnessed, and you will see the thing on the stage. So, let's begin this magical evening with great enthusiasm, with great excitement, with joy, and they need your support. I'll say बार-बार मैं बोलूँगी, they'll need your support. Support in sense you have to clap for them for every performances. Please be seated till the program ends. Try to be seated if it is not that much urgent. And parents, especially parents, prepare yourself to be captivated by some cute, lovely, charming, delightful performances which are going to be on the stage. And a request, you have to clap not like this. You have to clap like this. Up your hand, raise your hand and clap. For the children, not for me. Thank you so much.